Now we are going to solve question number 21 of R.S. Aggarwal book from class 10th. We are cracking the quadratic equation and have mastering on quadratic equation. Root 3x square plus 10x negative 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Now solve this equation. Before solving this equation, we have to prepare our basic strategy. And our basic strategy is that we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and constant term. So this is multiply 8 root 3. Root 3, when going to multiply root 3, it equals to 3, and 8, that is 24. Now my dear student, we have to check the sign of constant term. The sign of constant term here is negative, so we have to find two factors of 24 whose subtraction is 10, and it is very easy. 12 2s are 24, and 12 2 subtraction is equal to 10. When we are going to subtract 2 from 12, we have 10. So this is our basic strategy we discussed with you. Now solve this question. Root 3x square plus 12x negative 2x negative 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Now take common from first two term. From first two term we can take root 3x as common, and we have x plus 12 by root 3 negative. We take 2 as common, and we have x 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Now again we need to understand a very basic concept is that here we have a, let's rub this area first. We have 12 root 3. Now rationalize root 3, so we are going to multiply numerator by 3 and denominator by 3. So we have 12 root 3 by 3. This 3 cuts this 12 4 times, and we have 4 root 3. So we can write here root 3x x plus 4 root 3 negative. Look my dear student, here this is negative and this is negative, and we take negative as common, so it will become positive. So 2x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Now this and this is common multiple of both the term, so we can take x plus 4 root 3 as common, and now we have root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve another question. Now we put x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0, or root 3x negative 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 4 root 3, or x is equal to 2 by root 3. And this is the solution of this quadratic equation. Now move to the next question. Question number 22 from R.S. Aggarwal book. You can check the series of quadratic equation. Cracking the quadratic equation. We are going to crack the quadratic equation. Just see each and every question completely. 21. This is the question number 22. Sorry. Question number 22. Root 3x square positive 11x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Now first we are going to prepare a basic strategy. For that, root 3 will going to multiply 6 root 3, and now we have 3 into 6, that is 18. Now we have to check the sign of constant term, that is positive. So we have to do two factors of 18 whose addition is 11, that will be 9 and 2. So let's solve our question. Root 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Now take common from first two term. The common multiple of first two term is that root 3x. So we have x square, and now the thing is that when 9x going to divide by root 3x, so what we have? We have 9 upon root 3. Now we are going to rationalize it. So we have to multiply root 3 in numerator and root 3 in denominator. Then we have 9 root 3 upon 3. This 3 cuts this 3 times. So we have 3 root 3 is the final. If you understand this, I'm going to wrap it. I hope you understand. You can see it is a very basic concept which you teach in grade 6, 7th and 8. So we have plus 3 root 3. Now from last two term we can take 2 as a common multiple. So we have x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Now from these two term we can take this is not x square, this is x. Now we can take x plus 3 root 3 root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now put x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0, or root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x equal to negative 3 root 3, or x is equal to negative 2 by root 3, and this is the solution of this quadratic equation. Thank you very much. Now move to the next question. Next problem is problem number 23. Problem number 23 is that 3 root 7x square plus 4x root 7 is equal to 0. First we are going to prepare our basic strategy. Our basic strategy is that we have to multiply 3 root 7 multiplies root 7, that is equal to 3 into 7, that is 21. Now we need to find two factors of 21 whose subtraction is 4, that is 7 3s are 21. When 3 going to subtract from 7 we have 4. So let's solve our quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation, write 3 root 7x square plus 7x negative 3x negative root 7 is equal to 0. Now take common from first two term. Try yourself to take common and tell me in the comments. So now we can take root 7 x as common from both the term. So we have 3 root 7x square, and we take common root 7x, so we are going to divide it by root 7x. In the same fashion, when 7x going to divide it by root 7x. Now last two term we just take 1 as common, and we have 3x negative root 7 is equal to 0. Now try to understand this bracket. When 3 root 7x square going to divide by root 7x, then this root 7 cuts this root 7 completely, and this x cuts this x square x time. So we have 3x as a quotient. When 7x divided by root 7x, then this x cuts this x completely, and we have 7 upon root 7. Now we are going to rationalize root 7. So for that we are going to multiply by root 7 in numerator, and we are going to multiply by root 7 in denominator, and we have 7 root 7, sorry, and we have 7 root 7 by 7. This 7 cuts this 7 completely, and we have root 7. I hope you understand this thing completely. Now comes to the question. Now we can write this as root 7x 3x plus root 7 bracket close negative 1 3x plus root 7 upon 0. Here the sign is positive, you just correct it. Now 3x plus root 7 is common in both the term, and we have root 7x negative 1 is equal to 0. Now put 3x plus root 7 is equal to 0, or root 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to, we have negative root 7 by 3, or x is equal to 1 by root 7. This is the answer of this quadratic equation. Thank you very much.